so excited right now, guys. I was convinced that my fairy loot box wasn't going to come until Tuesday because it is a bank holiday here. Well,
Not here. Bank holiday in the UK, except Scotland.
except Scotland. So yeah, so it's a bank holiday everywhere that isn't Scotland on Monday, and I was convinced that because of that, my fairy loot box wasn't going to make it here, but it did, and it arrived, and I'm so happy. So we're going to open it and see what's inside. Okay, so first up we've got the spoiler card, and the theme of the month for May is Save the Kingdom. So I'm going to hand over the spoiler card to Alan so that he can tell you what it is that I'm looking at. So
No, he can try and tell you what he's looking at.
he does have his glasses on.
There's generally a lot of words I can't read.
And it means that I don't get pre-warned about what's in the box so that I can be all excited. So, the first thing that I'm bringing out is a lip scrub called Venda. And it is from the Remnant Chronicles, and it's made by Geeky Clean. And Venda, according to the sticker on the bottom, is a lemon flavoured lip scrub.
It is an exclusive vegan lip scrub.
It's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's not tested on animals, it's been made by hand in England. I love lip scrubs. I have real problems with like dry lips and things, and I love the packaging. And it's a really big tub, so I'm
2 seconds.
looking forward to using that.
2 seconds.
Your
Okay.
battery's about to die.
So I could go show it. I think we might be able to see that now. Okay.
Okay, so I'll carry on until Alan's battery gives out. There's the... Okay, so the second thing I've pulled out of the box is an advertisement for Legendary, which is the second book by Stephanie Garber, the first one being Caraval, which I'm ashamed to admit I haven't read yet. But I have had Legendary on pre-order for a while, and I think it's due to dispatch next week sometime, because I think it's due for release on the 29th. And I have had Caraval, the hardback Caraval edition, on order with a big box retailer for a couple of weeks now, but it's currently out of stock. But I want the hardback of Caraval because I've got the hardback of Legendary, and I intended to buy Caraval quite a while back because it was all over book Instagram, it was all over YouTube. All of the book bloggers and vloggers have all been talking about it, and I kept meaning to buy it, and then I didn't, and noticed that Legendary was coming up for release, and I'm like, yeah, no, I really need to get that now, and now I can't because I haven't got it. So this apparently is one of the 4 exclusive hidden covers available on the first print run only. So I'll be quite interested to see what my exclusive hidden cover is going to be when my copy of Legendary arrives. So that's cool. Then next I have got a box. It says Norgard Kingdom of Rhyme, and it is a fizzy castle bath bomb. It smells like moonstones and berries, and it's made by Little Heart Gifts. And I'm not really getting much of a smell off of it, but it looks exactly like a castle, and it's got sparkles in it, and it's going to make a complete mess of my bath, but I'm still really looking forward to using it.
It's inspired by your book of the month.
Excellent. That explains why I can't place the reference.
Onyx and Ivory.
Hmm?
Carry on.
So that's that one. Then I have got a bookmark for Smoke in the Sun by Renee Adi. We'll go with that. And it says on the back, it did not matter that the sun refused to shine. Mariko was not beholden to its light.
Because you can never have too many bookmarks.
Because you can never have too many bookmarks. Then I have got a coaster. You are your own best weapon. And that's a quote from The Winner's Kiss by Marie Rutowski.
It was designed by Eve. Well, you've just said it, because and it'd be great at keeping your table safe from hot and warm drinks. Allegedly. Okay.
Then I have got Throne of Glass page markers, weird page markers. They're just little post-it notes.
Page markers.
Then I have Wake Up, It's Time to Save the Kingdom English Breakfast Tea, Special Edition Fairy Loot Tea by the Tea Leaf Company.
Yeah, so you can start your day well and prepare to save the kingdom from imminent doom.
So I'm quite looking forward to trying that. That'll be very, very nice. I like tea. Then I have got a big thing. And I think this is a book sleeve. I'll take it out of its packaging so we don't get shiny off the back. So this is a Fairy Loot exclusive sleeve, and it says, "Fear is only your enemy if you allow it to be."
Yes, and it
says the same on the back as well.
It's a quote from An Ember in the Ashes.
So you can never have too many book sleeves, and now I have two, so I'm very happy. Okay, and now we get down into the bones of it, and we have the Fairy Loot Book of the Month. So in the Book of the Month, with the Book of the Month, we have got the Fairy Scoop, we have got a letter from the author, which has got some really cool art on the back of it.
Okay.
We'll go through the Fairy Loot Scoop in a minute. What else is in here? She says try not to look at the book.
More bookmarks.
More bookmarks. We've got a Save the Kingdom bookmark for
Good job you got the bookmarks. You'd have been running out, wouldn't you?
Save the Kingdom bookmark. This is if you've ever watched any of our Fairy Loot unboxings before, this is an ongoing joke. I've got a signed book plate to stick in the book with the author's signature. I've got a sticker, and the book of the month is stuck in the bag. Onyx and Ivory by Mindy Arnett, which Alan did actually say, and I didn't catch it until.
And I tried to pretend I couldn't read it properly. So it was all a good act. I cocked it up.
It's got black painted pages on the side, and let's see what it's about. They call her Traitor Kate. It's a title Kate Brighton inherited from her father after he tried to assassinate the High King of Rhyme. Cast out of the nobility, she now works for the Royal Courier Service. Only the most skilled ride for the relay, and only the fastest survive, for when night falls, the night drakes, deadly flightless dragons, come out to hunt. Fortunately, Kate has a secret edge. She's a wilder, born with the forbidden magic that allows her to influence the minds of animals. And it's this magic that leads her to a caravan massacred by drakes in broad daylight. The only survivor, Corwin Tormain, the son of the king. Her first love, the boy she swore to forget after he condemned her father to death. With their paths once more entangled, Kate and Corwin must put the past behind them to face this new threat of drakes who attack in the daylight and the darker menace behind them. Acclaimed author Mindy Arnett's new novel thrusts readers into a beautiful, dangerous new world where trust is rare, magic is commonplace, and little is as it seems. So what does it say about the book on the... I'll take the spoiler card back now. There we go. Oops.
Phil.
The book is full of magic, drakes, romance, action, intrigue, and so much more. We're so thrilled that this exclusive edition, just for Fairy Loot, has sprayed black pages. The standard edition doesn't have these. We also hope you enjoy the signed bookplate, author letter, sticker, and exclusive character art of Kate and Corwin, which will be on the... That'll be them there.
Right.
So, that is the Fairy Loot unboxing for May. The Fairy Scoop has inside it an interview with the author. It says what to read after reading Onyx and Ivory. It says A Shadow Bright and Burning by Jessica Cluess, Snow Like Ashes by Sarah Rash, and Ruined by Amy Chintera. And next month's theme is Rebels in Ball Gowns. And the book they're releasing, the book that's going to be in June's box, is a book that isn't actually out until the end of July, so it'll be coming to me a month ahead of its actual release date. It'll be an exclusive hardcover edition. It's an addictive feminist fantasy read with immersive descriptions. And the box will contain items inspired by Legendary, Shatter Me, The Selection, and Nevernight. So,
Okay.
very excited. So there you go.
Moving on.